Where can I find the activation code for my Visa gift card?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to walk through a commonly asked question. Where can I find the activation code for my Visa gift card? Getting this information right is crucial to using your Visa gift card properly.
What is an activation code?
The activation code is an important part of getting your Visa gift card up and running. It's a unique set of numbers, typically located on the packaging or the card itself. It is required to activate the card and make it ready for use.
Where can I find the activation code?
Your Visa gift card's activation code is usually found in one of two places. 1. On the card itself. It's typically printed on a sticker on the front of the card. Be sure not to remove this sticker until you've noted the activation code. 2. On the packaging. In some cases, the activation code will be on the packaging that came with the card. This is often on a separate piece of paper or printed inside a cardboard sleeve.
How to activate my Visa gift card?
Once you've located the activation code, the next step is to activate your card. The process is generally simple. 1. Call the activation phone number. Usually, this phone number is printed on a sticker on the front of the card or on the card packaging. Dial this number and follow the prompts. 2. Online activation. Some gift cards also offer the option for online activation. Visit the website mentioned on the card or the packaging, and you'll typically be asked to enter the card's details, including the activation code. Remember to follow the instructions carefully to ensure successful activation of your card. And that's all you need to know about finding and using the activation code for your Visa gift card. With this knowledge, you should be able to activate your gift card smoothly and start making purchases. Remember, if you're ever unsure or run into trouble, don't hesitate to contact the gift card issuer for help. Happy shopping!